Hey, did you ever notice what washing machine does? Yes, it is being used to wash clothes. Our problems are just like washing machines. I will tell you how. Just as clothes get twisted, they spin and get knocked with every spin. What happens in the end? Clothes come out cleaner, better, and brighter. So, when we face problems in life, we also get knocked up, we do spin, we also get twisted physically and mentally. So, after facing any kind of challenge, hardship, struggle, any kind of problem, financial crisis, or health, we come out as cleaner, better, and brighter version of ourselves. Thank you.